Welcome back, you guys. Listen, we've got CD again, we've got Randall, and we got Carter this time. He was on his mission last time we put the floors in. So we're gonna be getting the floors in today. I don't know about I may just be running the camera, but I did this last night. I did the underlayment, scrape the floor, mop the floor. Yeah, and we'll bring you along. let's take a time out for a minute, right? This is the first time I have ever laid floors. I'm just watching what my brother-in-law has done, and I have officially laid 5 rows, and it's custom all the way. So I'm just following their patterns here, and cutting. And then right here under the door, I found that this is the best tool to keep it from shoving and climbing up over. So you just have a little gap there. And then I did cut the bottom of the trim. And that's the decision I'm going to make for the rest of it. It looks pretty good. Instead of crawling on my belly, I used the car dolly. This is working out really good. You guys can see that on the time warp. And then, yeah, so I've made it. I made it to the door. And I think I'm going to call it for the night, but 5 rows. Yeah, and plus I work today, so it's a little hard on my body to get up and down off the floor. It's whooping me a little bit, but I just wanted to challenge myself and see if I could do it. And this is where we are. If we had 4 quarters, we have 3/4 of the living room done. That's the biggest part. We got 1/4 left, so I think I'll kill this tomorrow after work. And then this will be the fun part, special cuts. I've got to cut all the trims off the bottoms, you know, do all that work. But that's fine. And we're only going to here, but we'll be doing down here, hallway, and bathroom after the living room's done. So I'm really hoping to have this done tomorrow, if anything doesn't come up after work. So, yeah, looks good. Thanks for watching, you guys.
Adventures.
Yeah.
Say it.
We survived to adventures.
Oh, yeah.
I love my dada.
Oh, we love your dada too.
Yeah.
Let's go get everything.